Okay, now we're just going to change a sentence into an equation. Okay, if 7 times a number is decreased by 33, the result is 15 less than 10 times the number. Find the number. First thing you want to do is circle your equal. This right here will be my equal. Then you look to the left and the right and you want to find your add or subtract words. This right here, decrease by means minus, less than means minus, right? So I'm going to have something minus something equals something minus something. So right here, 7 times a number, 7x decreased by 33 is 15 less than. If I have 3 less than 5, it's 5 minus 3 in it. You got to flip these on less than. That's the only time you do that. So it's going to be 10x minus 15. So the less than means minus, but you got to switch them. If you don't switch them, it's going to be wrong. Now then, my smallest x is 7x. I'm going to move it over. I'm going to get negative 33 equals 3x minus 15. I'm going to move over by 15. Negative 33 plus 15 is negative 18 equals 3x divided by 3. Negative 6 equals x. That's my number. Let's do this one. If a number is doubled, then increased by 20, the result is, this right here is my equal in it. 5 less than 3 times the number. Okay, increase by means I'm going to add, less than means I'm going to subtract, I'm going to set it up. So a number is doubled, that's 2x plus 20 equals, less than means minus, but you got to switch it, right? If you don't flip less than, you're going to miss it. 3x minus 5. Now then, when you get to here, move your smallest x. So I'm going to move my 2x. I'm going to get 20 equals x minus 5. My x is on my right. My number's got to go to the right. 20 plus 5 is 25, so 25 equals x. Ho, 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 ho. 23. 60 more than 9 times the number is the same as your equal. More than means I'm going to add, and then less than right here means I'm going to subtract, but I got to flip it, don't I? Okay, so 60 plus 9 times the number, 9x, equals 2 less than 10 times the number. You got to flip that, 10x minus 2. I'm going to move my smallest x. So I'm going to get 60 equals x minus 2, and then I'm going to move my 2 over here. So I'm going to get 62 equals x. Ho, 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 ho. Okay, I see I got room right here. 11 less than 7 times the number is, that's my equal, less than means I'm going to minus. 5 more than 6 times the number, more than means to plus. This is pretty simple. Find your equal, find the words that mean add or subtract, and just fill it in. Less than, you got to flip. There's a less than on your test. Make sure you flip it. So 7 times the number minus 11 equals 5 plus 6 times the number, 5 plus 6x, right? My smallest x is my 6x, so I'm going to move it over here. I'm going to get x minus 11 equals 5. I'm going to move my 11 over, and I'm going to end up with x equals 16. Ho, 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 ho.